Hello motherfuckers, and welcome to a Chaw Smokes video. Today I will be showing you guys how to roll perfect cigarettes, alright? So I'm a goddamn professional when it comes to rolling cigarettes, alright? My cigarettes are la creme de la creme. And long story short, my cigarettes are the fucking shit, alright? And I'm a goddamn protege when it comes to rolling, so I am gonna teach you guys how to roll these perfect cigarettes. Just a disclaimer for security purposes. When you do roll perfect fucking cigarettes like Chaw Smokes does, every single woman in the 10-kilometer radius is going to be instantly notified, right? As soon as you finish licking and close it, they are going to be notified and they are going to want you, all right? And there's nothing you can do, and you just have to live with it, all right? You're just going to have to live with being a fucking chick magnet, all right? All right, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So first step, once you have everything prepared, you want to grab a filter, all right? You grab that bad boy. You pop it in your mouth. Then you grab a piece of paper. You don't put it in your mouth. Alright. You stick it on your finger. I usually do this. Stick it on your thumb. Alright. Then you open the tobacco pouch. Alright. You take out the tobacco. Too little, alright. So this is the amount that I have. I don't know if you guys can see. Anyways, I'm gonna put it in. So the reason why I say you don't want to put in too much is because if you put in too much, it's harder to smoke, it's harder to roll, and you're using more tobacco, so your tobacco, well, it finishes quickly, you know? So you don't want to put in too much, alright? So when it's like this, once you've organized it neatly, you leave a bit of space for the filter, alright? And you begin rolling, alright? You put in the filter, but not the side where you had, but that was in your mouth. You put the other side that was in the air. If not, the paper can become wet and it can tear. So you gotta put in the dry side, all right? Then you begin rolling. You want to use your index fingers and your thumb when you roll. And once it's rolled, like I just did, because I'm a goddamn protege, this is where the tricky part comes in, all right? So I'm gonna put my thing higher. You wanna just fucking roll it over to the point where it folds, and then you just want to roll just like that, and then you close it with your tongue, and yeah, you push the filter in if it's sticking out, and that, my friends, is how you roll a perfect fucking cigarette. Subscribe, motherfuckers.